Hello guys and welcome to another clay tutorial, and today I will show you how to make toad with clay. Let's go!
You will need white, red, pale pink, black, blue, yellow, chocolate brown, some tools and your hands. You also need a piece of wire. Okay, so at first we cut out a bit of white clay for his body. Now we're making a ball with the clay. We push in one side of the ball because there we're gonna put the rest of Toad's body. For this you can also use a sculpting tool. And that's how it should look like. Now we take a bit of pale pink and we do the same as we did with the white clay, but a bit smaller. And we put it on the white clay. And now we need dark blue clay to make the shirt, or I don't know what he's dressed with, but we place it on the body. Now we need yellow clay and we roll it out and then we put it below the blue clay. And here's how it should look like. And now I'm making a small hole into the body with a sculpting tool, so I can put a small piece of wire in it, and later we can attach the head to the body. And now we can already start making the head, and we take a bit of pale pink and we make a ball. We will also make a hole into the head to attach it to the body, as I've already said. And the head is attached to the body. Now we're making his smiling mouth with a sculpting tool. But actually the tool I'm using right now is not a clay tool. I borrowed it from a nail set and it turned out to be a pretty good clay tool. And yeah. For the mushroom, we make a ball with white clay. And again we push in the clay with a sculpting tool to attach it to the head easier. And for that you can also use your thumb. And yes, it's already attached to the head. Now we're making the eyes with small pieces of black clay and we place it on his face. Now we put a very tiny piece of white clay on his eyes to create a cool light reflection. Now I've already made one arm and I place it on his body. To create the fingers on the arms, you will need a scalpel, but you need to be careful. And the second arm is attached to the body. His shoes are very easy to make, they don't have any details, and you will need chocolate brown for this. And you put him under his body. Now we're making those red spots on the mushroom, and we use red clay for this. One is done and 4 are left. Now you have to do it on the top. After you place the last spot, you can already put it in the oven. And guys, I guess that's it. Toad from Super Mario made with clay.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments and tell me which character you would like to see next. And also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to not miss any further videos. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.